When I get a no, should I press to get a yes? Or should I walk away? Hmm. Let's talk about something that every salesperson must master: the no. The question I get often is, when I get a no, should I press to get a yes or should I walk away? Here's what I tell my private coaching clients. Not all no's are created equal. Some no's are real and some are just a reflex. Let's break that down. A reflex no is like a knee-jerk reaction. It sounds like, I'm not interested. We're working with someone else. Just send me some information. This kind of no is automatic. You have caught this person off guard when you called. They don't know you. They don't know your product. They've never heard of your company. So people are just trying to protect their time. So what do? You don't back down, but you don't bulldoze either. You ask a smart, curiosity-build question like this. That makes sense. Can I ask what you're hoping your current provider improves for you this year? Boom. Now you've shifted from sales rep to sales strategist. To help you with all of this, I've created a free guide. It's called the Objection Crusher Blueprint. You can find the link below. I designed it so that you can print it easily and have it with you on your sales calls. Now, let's talk about the other kind of no, the informed no. This comes after they've heard the offer, they understand the value, and they still say no. This is where most salespeople fall into a trap. They start convincing instead of connecting. And that's where you lose the sale and your credibility. I've done it too. Instead of pressing harder, try this. It seems like this isn't the right time, and that's totally okay. Would it be all right if I followed up in a few months? It's calm, it's professional, and most importantly, it keeps the door open. Sometimes the smartest thing you can do is walk away with grace, not desperation. Now, here's a gut check. Are you pushing for the yes because you need the win, or because you genuinely believe they'll benefit? There's a difference between persistence and pressure, and your prospect can feel both. So let me say this clearly. When you're emotionally attached to a yes, you lose your power. But when you're aligned with your value, your client's needs, and your purpose, you'll know when it's time to walk away. And that's not rejection, that's redirection. Now, that doesn't mean that you walk away at the first sign of resistance. That's not what I'm saying. There are moments when you should press forward, but you do it with questions, not pressure. Try these. Can I ask what would need to change for this to be a yes? If nothing changes in the next 90 days, what impact will that have on your team? Would it help if I showed an option that better fits your timeline? See the difference? You're leading the conversation, not chasing it. Sales isn't about chasing, it's about choosing. Choosing when you walk away. When you choose to walk away, you protect your energy, you maintain your integrity, and you make room for the right opportunities. I want you to remember this. You're not a desperate salesperson. You're a savvy sales professional. You don't need to force a yes. You ask, you listen, you lead, and sometimes you let go, because every no teaches you something, right? And the yes is right around the corner. Now, to make this more simpler for you, don't forget to download your free copy of the Objection Crusher Blueprint. It includes word-for-word responses, power questions, and a checklist for handling sales objections with confidence. And hey, if you'd like to meet me so I can help you sharpen your objection skills, book a power session. The link is right below this video. I'm Christine Harrington, the Savvy Sales Lady, reminding you you're one smart question away from turning hesitation into a yes, or knowing exactly when to walk away. Stay savvy, and I'll see you on the next video.